how to put apps on desktop, so in window 10 or 11. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the perfect method. So let's start the video. So first, if you want to add the app like my computer or any other like recycling bin from your on your desktop, then you can have the one option here. Just right click on window, go to the personalizations, and here we have the themes. Now just scroll down and we need to go in these themes. Under the themes, this is your current themes. Now just scroll down and go to the desktop icon settings, and here you can see the basic or main icon, which is this PC, and your username, this is network recycling bin and empty recycling bin. Okay, so you can add, just hit the my computer and just click apply, then it will be add automatically. Okay, so this is for internal desktop apps. Okay, and if you want to add another apps like external apps or other internal app from window, so there is another way. Go to the window, go to the all apps. Here you can see the all apps of your window. Now just click and hold it and drag on the desktop. Okay, so icon will be create. Actually my windows icon has been hidden while recording, so it is not showing here, but it will be show here. Or another option, you can go here, find out that app which you want to make, if you want to, which you want to send to the desktop. Okay, like if you want to send this, okay, just choose this one, right click on it and go to the open and go to the open file locations, and here this is shortcut key, this shortcut icon. Okay, you can just copy it or simply send to the desktop. Go to the more option and send to the desktop, so it will be create the shortcuts, and it will be your desktop icon, apps icon. Okay, so you can create shortcuts like this, so it will be create here. In my desktop it is not showing because it's already hidden. So that is the way you can add. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.